Hello and welcome to Graphastic. This is me, Fazilat Ali Ahmed, and in today's tutorial we will learn to wrap text around an object using Adobe Photoshop. So let's get started. Open the image, grab a quick selection tool and select the main object. Press Alt to deselect the areas. Go to the Select menu, Modify and Expand. Set the amount of pixels to expand. Here I have 30 pixels. Click OK. Again go to Select menu, Modify and then Smooth. Select the radius value and click OK. Right click and turn it to the working path. Select the Type tool and click on the path. Type the text. Go to Type menu and open Character panel. From here, you can change the text size, space between characters, and also color of it. And we're done! That's all for today. Hope you like it and learn from it too. If you find this video helpful, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. If you have any queries, feel free to contact either on Instagram, Facebook, or you can also comment here. I will catch you in the next video. Happy learning!